Hi, this is Amy with Go Places English, and today I want to talk about the pronunciation of the I sound in American English. This is a common vowel sound, and you've encountered it in many words like it, with, big, and sit. But it is often mispronounced in words like women and building. So let's practice the correct pronunciation of some common I sound words. Say these words aloud with me. Build, building, guilt, kiss, milk, guitar, quilt, wish, quit, women. Good, nice work. Now record yourself saying the I words and compare your pronunciation to mine. This will help you identify your mistakes as well as reinforce the words you are saying correctly. You can instantly improve your English and sound more like a native speaker by practicing and saying the I sound correctly. When you master American English pronunciation, you can speak confidently, knowing that your pronunciation is clear, accurate, and listeners will understand you. If this lesson was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Go Places English. Where will English take you? Thanks!